Hello everyone. In this video, we are hello everyone. In this video, we are going to calculate the SI, no EMA, that is exponential moving averages, that is short term, long term, and medium term EMAs, and we are going to analyze the output using the chart. So we'll begin with importing library. So first we have to extract data from Yahoo Finance. So we will be using QuantMod package. Then for calculating EMA, we are using library package TTR. So we'll run the command first, import the library. Okay. Next one, we are going to set the symbol. Before that, we'll go to the question regarding EMA. Yes. Make use of RStudio. Make use of RStudio. Analyze 5-day, 30-day, 50-day EMA for the following particulars. Stock symbol is ICICI from MAT to. So first we'll begin with the stock symbol. So symbol equal to ICICI.ns. Then start date equal to 2024 January 1st. End date equal to 2024 December 31st. Then we'll extract the variable using get symbols, extract the data set. So here we are having 4 elements. One is the ticker name, that is symbol, then source equal to Yahoo, comma, from equal to start date, comma, to equal to end date. And we'll run this command. So, okay, we have to run, okay, I think I run only the last line and all the things. Okay. Let's see. Let's see this. So before that, we'll check. Yeah, I think it is ICICI Bank.ns. Ticker mistake of ICICI Bank.ns. Yes. So this ticker you can get it from this. We can go through our. Yeah. You can get the tickers from your Google search. Just ICICI.ns. Whatever Yahoo Finance options are getting, so this will be our ticker. So in bracket, whatever is mentioned here in Yahoo Finance, since our source is Yahoo Finance, whatever ticker or symbol they have mentioned, that we have to incorporate in our codes. So ICICI Bank.ns. Okay. Now in this we want only closing values, closing prices equal to CL of ICICI Bank.ns. Run the code. So we got only the closing price here. The closing price of ICICI Bank is received. Now EMA. For EMA, there are 3 different EMAs here: 5, 10, 5, 30, and 50 days. So we'll go with first one, 5 days EMA. So EMA, I will write in small piece, EMA underscore 5 equal to EMA of TTR package, EMA of X is ICICI, comma, N equal to 5. So 5 days EMA exponential moving averages. Same code we will copy again. We will paste it here. Now we'll, instead of 5, we'll make it 30. Again, we'll make it 50. So 3 different EMAs are there. We will run this command. So we have calculated EMAs. Now we have to plot them in one single chart where we can have closing prices and all 3 EMAs. So for this we are using chart series from the quant mod package. S is capital here in chart series. So chart series, we are having, first we are going to plot ICICI, comma, the name equal to, that is the title of the chart, ICICI with 5, 30 and 50 days, 50-day EMAs. That will be the title, comma, the theme, that is a background color equal to, theme equal to chart theme here. We are using chart capital chart theme of Automotive package, white color. I have mentioned it in double quote, chart theme equal to white base. So this is my chart series. It's like a canvas. I'm having closing price, and if I run this, I think, yeah, I expected. So this chart theme of, you can see here. So this is how you are getting only closing prices. Now on this we are going to overlay these 3 EMAs. So for this we are using the code add TA. Add TA. So here add TA, we are adding EMA 5 first, comma, on equal to 1, that is on the previous canvas, color equal to, I will mention it in blue color, short term EMA, comma, yeah, that's it. Only 3 elements are there. So if I run this code, control enter, you can see the blue color lines are appearing in the screen. Now again I will replicate this one to twice. This one will be now 30 and the color will be, okay, before that I will make short term is as red, medium term as blue, and long term EMA 50 as green. Not green, green is already there. I will make it as purple. Let's check the purple is there. So these 2 codes I will be running again. Control enter. Now I will open this and zoom into the picture. Yes. As you can see here, these are the legends. Last closing price of the last day, 31st December, 30th December 24, 1294. EMA 5 on that day is 1299. EMA 30 is 1302. And EMA 50 is 12921664. EMA 5 short term starts after 5 days. After 20 days, 30 days, EMA 30 will start. After 50 days, EMA 50 will start. You can see the changes here. Looking at the length of these lines, you can make out which is short term, medium term, and long term. Okay, now I will copy this I will put it in my Word document. Before that, I will copy the script. C. This is the Rscript, whatever we have followed. Then we are having analysis. So for analysis, again I am having putting some outline for this. First one will be we are going to track the EMA. So EMA tracking means which is the short term, which is the long term, and which is the medium term, where it is ending, what are the prices and all. Next one, major price phases. Since closing price is there, what is the observation in last 1 year? How the price are changing, moving based on the green color closing price. This one I'm talking about this green color line closing prices. Based on that, we are going to explain major price phases. Then based on this support and resistance, again other uh, we are not considering other factors here. Only based on chart, we are going to decide support and resistance. Next one, we are going to analyze the crossover. The major one in this EMA tracking is crossover analysis. The bullish crossover and bearish crossover. That is bullish crossover and bearish crossover. Then next one will be trend strength, when the trend was stronger, when the trend was weaker, in which month and all that we are going to track. Next one, current status, what's whether it is in recovery or whether it is consolidation, that status we are going to track. Next one, trading implication. So in seven different ways, we are going to analyze the chart and put it in next page. So one by one, we'll track it. Check whether we can show it in the no, it's not possible. Okay. So here I will mention. First one is EMA tracking. We have EMA 5-day EMA, then 30-day EMA, and 50-day EMA. So 5-day EMA is a short-term. 5-day EMA is a short-term EMA, short-term trend analysis. It indicates short-term trend analysis. Since only 5 days, based on 5 days observation, it's going to more than the trend analysis. We can say it will give some signals, analysis, or we can mention signals as well. Signals whether it is bullish, bearish, and all. Again, this one indicates. So in EMA tracking, we are just literally mentioning what it's all about. So it's about medium term. Since out of 5, 30 and 50, 30 is a medium term trend analysis of trend signals, and this is the so more than analysis word we can use, I think, signals. Yes, indicating long term trend signals. Then we can mention about the readings. That is this one. Last closing price is how much? Closing price 30th December 2024, rupees 1294.65. Then again, you can mention all this 5 mention as the page 5-day EMA. It's about 1299 1299.81. Then again I will paste it here. So this will be 30 days and this will be 50 days. So the observation is 1302.31 and 1292.6. So this is the EMA tracking. Means what does it mean and what is the current standings of those values. Next one, if you are going with the last analysis, I think you can see the long-term trend is short-term trend is crossing the medium-term trend and moving downwards. But again, it's moving downwards and medium-term trend. So we can expect some bearish crossover here. Short term, it's not crossing the long term trend, but it is here, it's crossing the medium term trend. You can expect a bearish cross. Medium term trends go straight here around 1300 mark, but again, short term medium trend you can see 1299. It's lesser than the EMA 30. So we can expect a bearish, slightly bearish trend is going on. Okay. Next one, major price phases. How to analyze this major price phases? You can see till the month of April, there was almost a bullish, even though there is a short, small ups and downs are there, but till its month of April, there was an upward trend. So I'm not writing this in the Word document. I'm just telling what we have to write in major phases. So you can split it to Jan to April. So Jan to April we have bullish. Again, you can see sudden spike in May 1 to May 15. Sudden spike was there. Then after that, again consolidation. You can see slightly neutral trend was observed till July. So May 15 till July. Need not much variation. It's moving around here and there. Then again after that, no spikes you can see, but ultimately at the end of the day it's almost similar. So if you take this point and this point in the month of July, it's almost similar. Then after July again there is upward trend, but again there is a downward trend like that. So whatever observations are there, the movement of the closing price line accordingly you can mention. So again upward trend after August, end of August. So August 25th afterwards we can expect a rough idea. We can see August 25th onwards till mid of September. So we can say September 15, mid of September again bullish trend was there. Again sharp downward trend till October we observed. So September 16 to October, mid of October. If you can't make out the dates, you can just mention mid of October. Again sharp downward trend was observed. Then again after that again sharp upward trend. So the movement, one phase, you can divide it into 15 days to 30 days segment and you can write your observations here. That is your major price phases. Next one, support and resistance. So here again, other things we are not considering in the chart where it is the support. The support we can say here it's not crossing, but EMA closing price crossed that long-term EMA, but again it is recovering. So it means we can expect there will be a kind of bearish one. So we can say around 1270 maybe my support. My support will be again. Other I may be wrong here. You can expect that because but based on the last month observation, December month observation, it didn't touch again 1250. So you can see the upward trend going on here. If you take this pattern here, if you join this all the low points of this graph, you can see the upward trend going on. So we can expect it may 1270 maybe the support level. Then again resistance. So resistance, it is not crossing 1350 mark here. It has crossed once, but again immediately after there is a sudden dip you can see. So we can say around 1370. The previous high we will take it as again this is just the uh, expectation. It need not be specific. You cannot rightly tell because of this other parameter we are not considering. So you can say 1350 to 370 may be our resistance, and around 1250 we can take this one also 1230, 1250, 1270 also we can take as our support, and 1350, 360 also we can take it as our resistance. So anything around this, it is after October. If you take last 3 months observation, based on that you can mention the current support and resistance level. Support means at what rate you can enter the market, means till you hold. If you're already invested 1270 you can hold. If it breaks below support then it is a negative, so it's better to exit before that. If it is 1370 it's crossing again, I mean 1270, if it breaks down then it will be very trend you can expect. If it crosses 1370 it goes about again bullish trend you can expect, because 1370 we are expecting there are some sellers who are encashing their investments. 1370 level we can expect that. Again 1250 or 260 level, if you are finding the upward trend, that means there are some buyers who are already quoted the price to buy that particular stock. So that is again just a guess we are doing here in this present chart. So many, because we are limited with we are having limited information in this chart. So next one, bullish crossover. So bullish crossover means if the EMA line cuts and goes up, short term EMA, you can see bullish. So you can see here, I am going with only with the bullish trend. Here, this one, this line you can see the blue color one. I will just make it black so that you can see this on the screen properly instead of red. I will read on the blue. Okay, now I think this may be visible. Yes. So now this black color short-term EMA cuts the mid-term EMA, mid-EMA, that is 30-day EMA from below. It's around, if I take this scale, it's maybe in the April end, April 20th afterwards, it cuts from below, intersect from downwards and moves upward. So that is your bullish crossover. You can say bullish crossover means if the short-term EMA intersect the medium or long-term EMA from down and moves upward, you can see bullish crossover. You can see the increase in the closing price. So you can see the closing price also, it spikes up, it is going above that. So you can see that is a bullish crossover. You can see the green, this one spikes you can see. So that is a bullish crossover. So you can see in the month of April 22 maybe there is a bullish crossover. Again, we'll move track this short-term EMA again in the month of June mid. So I will mention June 15, 2024. Again, there is a bullish crossover. It intersects the medium-term EMA, that is 30-day EMA from down, and it moves upward. Again, you can see the spikes in the closing price green color line. That is again bullish crossover. Same thing again you can see in the month of mid of August or end of August. So we can expect the same thing August 2020. Again, it's just a random date I'm mentioning based on the scale. excuse me. So again, you can see the bullish crossover. Again, we are moving with the black color, this short-term EMA value. Again, you can see it here one more bullish crossover in the mid of November and moves upwards. So again, November 10, I will mention. November 10, 2024. So four intersection we can find where there is a bullish crossover and markets were going up. Next one, bearish crossover is completely opposite. Means the short-term EMA, its black color line intersect the medium term or long-term EMA from top and moves downwards. So you can see here again in the month of in the month of April, it moves downwards just only for 2-3 trading days, I feel. So that is again bearish crossover. You can see the huge changes in the closing price going downwards. The closing prices both intersect the medium term 30-day EMA as well as 50-day EMA. So it's moved downward. You can see bearish signal. So again, you can see April 15 or 16 we can mention, since only just 2-3 days before that bullish crossover there was a bearish crossover. Again, we will take up, and you can see in the month of July 5. So here we are writing not analysis, we are observation in the chart. That's what. The moment you read the chart properly, you will understand the concept of this EMA. What is actually, how to take this and how to strategize your investments and all. So conceptual point of view, I am explaining this, not in the real this investment point of view. So this is the one. Again, next one. Again, I am going with the August, first week of August. You can see again this black color line, the 5-day EMA intersect the blue color line, that is 30-day EMA moves downwards. Again, it intersect 50-day EMA also, and it's moving downwards. You can see the dip in the closing prices line, so that is bearish close. So it is in the month of August 5. So August 5 to 5 and August 8, you can mention, or you can just mention first week of August, there was a bullish crossing. Bearish crossing. Next one again moving upward, and in the month of October, first week also you can see October first week. I will mention first week of that's better. Or early week of in early October, or like that also you can mention. Then you can see in the month of November, mid-November you can mention. So wherever this short-term EMA intersect from the top and moves downwards, that will be our bearish crossing. So in this way you can see. But nowhere this 30-day EMA crosses 50-day EMA, it's not there. So looking at the trend, we can see there may be a kind of consolidation. So if you are dragging it like this, but if I'm going with this pattern, it may go up, but not at the same rate like 1200 to 1300. It is not maybe the same proportion. I feel it may be slightly leaning downwards, so it may go up to 1320, 330 in January, in Jan 2025. That is my prediction. So based on the again movement of the graph. So trend strength. When was there is trend strength was very strong, we can see wherever there is a bullish, we can see the trend was stronger. It's month of June to July. You can see the um, huge increase in the closing price line. You can see again in the mid of April, we can see the spike. So these things we can take. Whatever there is a sudden increase is there, we can say the stronger trend was very strong and moving upward. Same thing we can see in the downward also. You can see sudden down was very comparatively this one. In the month of October, there was a sudden fall from 1350 to 1220 almost. So that is again weaker strength we can see. So in that way, you can say when was the stronger strength and weaker strength. Then current status, yeah, it's around not in the same way, but again increasing trend. But looking at the almost, it's like a level. If you take the 50-day EMA line, it's almost level on December 30th. You can't see upward trend anymore. We don't know what's happened. We didn't consider January here. So based on this line, we can say it may be a kind of neutral. It may go like this. But again, if you are seeing the short-term EMA, try to intersect that. Yeah. but again it went down. So we can, based on this, we are predicting that again there will be a bullish trend, but it may not increase at the same pace like it was there from October to December. Slightly slower pace, it may be a bullish trend. So that is my that is observation. Trading implication, based on support and resistance, you can tell if it crosses below 1270, then at that time you can enter the market and wait till 1370, then you can encash your profit. That will be the trading strategy. But for the time being, you wait and watch. You can do, because we, based on the next 10 days observation, the movement of the EML lines, accordingly you can take the decisions. That is will be my trading implication. What you are going to suggest for the investor. Again, this need not be perfect. You can. It is, we are not considering the real other things, other factors here. Only based on the chart we are telling. So you can say about the what is the key support level based on the support and resistance when to enter the market. So you better, we say, hold the position if you are already there in holding that stock. Hold the position. Then if it goes below that 1270, better we think about alternative things. Or else, if it crosses 1350, then obviously it will be a bullish trend without any doubt. So that is how, based on EMA chart, medium short term and medium term, long term EMA chart, you can analyze the yeah, you can analyze this. So this is how we can write the analysis. I am not writing this. I hope you have understood the thing, because majority things will be repeating in this side heading, and you have to use the same concept and you have to represent in other way. So that is what is expected in this particular chart analysis. So trading implication, it's based on your support and resistance. Current status based on the last 5 days trading EMA lines. You can tell what is going to happen. You can predict trend strength. Again, the spikes, you can see the increase in the weaker strength and the stronger strength. You can tell. Then you again here you are having major price phases, when what was bullish, when it was bearish. Those things are self-explanatory. Just looking at the green color closing price line, you can tell what is the strength and weaker and stronger strength, as well as price phases. So this is how you can analyze, you can calculate and analyze EMA. Thanks for watching.